Good morning, all of you. My name is Tanshi. Today I am going to speak few lines on Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the name of state in India. It is the most beautiful place. The Shalimar Bagh, the Nishad Bagh, and the Naseem Bagh near Srinagar are some of the most famous gardens. These gardens are full of orchards and flowers. The famous food of Kashmir is rice. People wear Firan and Salwar. The main festival is Eid, Baisakhi and Uruz there. People spoke Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu and Ladakhi. My favorite place to visit is Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Arpit. Today I am going to tell you about Dal Lake. Dal Lake is in Srinagar. It is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in India. It is the urban lake which is situated in the second largest union territory, Jammu and Kashmir. It is integral to tourism and recreation in Kashmir. It is named the Lake of Flowers, the Jahels in crown of Kashmir or Srinagar Jahels. Thank you.
Friends and my teacher, today I am going to give a speech on the Kashmir paradise on earth. Kashmir, a part of a state of Jammu and Kashmir, is one of the most beautiful places in the world. The Kashmir is situated at the left of Himalaya. The beautiful land of Kashmir is full of covered snow, mountain peaks, green forests, lovely lakes, and beautiful gardens. This place is often called often called paradise on earth. The high snow-capped peaks of Himalaya range in the east and Firparan range in the west and south enclose Kashmir.
About beauty of Kashmir, a snow-covered hillock and a white cotton like snow falling on the lush green vegetation of Kashmir makes everyone so spellbound. The snow carnival organized during this phase of time for viewing the patrons is a spectacular experience due to the with the snowfalls covering the lake and green garden of this having at are nothing less than a perfect time spent with the nature.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Puskar. I study in 6th class. My topic is beauty of Kashmir. Kashmir is the northwest Jammu, the most visited part of Jammu and Kashmir state. The Mughal called Kashmir paradise on earth, where they journeyed across the hot plain of India into the cold valleys in summer. In winter, when snow carpet the mountains and everywhere is snow and snow, there is skinny tuberculosis, slide, sliding etc. along the high slopes. In spring, the summer season, the beauty of Kashmir, it is its peak. During summer season, the whole village is a mossy of very slides on the green tree, rice, flowers, meadows, tree, etc. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Farhat. I study in class 6. Kashmir Valley is a part of state of Jammu and Kashmir is one of the most beautiful place in whole world. The Kashmir Valley is situated on the lamp of Himalayas. The beautiful land of Kashmir is full of snow-covered mountains, peaks, forests, lovely lakes and beautiful garden. The place is so beautiful that is often called the paradise on earth. The high snow-capped peaks of the Himalaya range in the east of Panjal range in the west and south enclose Kashmir. The river Jhelum glides across Srinagar and Srinagar and flows swiftly through the winding way of the valley. Famous hill stations like Jhelum and Pahalgam are also situated in Kashmir. The beauty of the place is so exalted that every year a large number of tourists are only from different parts of lands, India's, but also from all over the world come to visit beautiful valley. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Jivesh. I am from class 6. Topic Dal Lake. Dal Lake is a lake in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, India. The lake is connected to other lakes of the Kashmir Valley. It is well known for its qualities 500 Victorian era wooden houseboats originally built as vacancy homes for landless British administrators during the Raj. Thank you.
13, 9, 20. Homework. A Kashmir run is a hand-coated originally used from Kashmir Valley in India which is associated with Kashmiri hide crafts, Kashmir ruches of carpet have decided the primary oriental floral style in a range of color, size and quality. Thank you.